Hey guys, welcome back again to the Android Kenya channel. Today we're going to look at this. What you're staring at here is the Oppo Reno4. This is Oppo's latest smartphone in the Kenyan market and the latest update to its Reno series. We're going to see this start selling in Kenya in a few days. Most likely by the time you're watching this video, it will already have been launched and gone up for sale. This is the successor to the Oppo Reno3 that we reviewed not so long ago. If you missed that, make sure to check the blog. Now, as you can see, this is what, if you go to the shop and you look for the Oppo Reno4, this is what you'll get. This is the retail packaging. Syndicated here, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB onboard storage for all your storage needs. So far what I know is that this does not have a micro SD card slot. I'll confirm that once I unbox it, so that could be key. From experience though, you shouldn't be able to have issues with that. Should feel it, it should take a while to fill it up, especially if you're going to make good use of the cameras, which are some of the outstanding features of this device. This is the space black model. There should be another color, I think galactic blue or something. Yes, so for now let's get inside and see what you get inside this box. So let's cut this plastic. I'll choose that spot. Not enough. Okay. So here we go. This is the box. Get rid of that. So this is a small box. We'll look at that in a bit. Here is the device itself. As you can see right off the bat, there are some changes there, so we'll come to that in a bit. Let's see what else you get inside. There is this charging brick. Now this charging brick should be responsible for the for giving you the 30-watt VOOC flash charge, which we are getting with the Oppo Reno4. And from what I know so far is you're able to go from 0 to 50 in just under 20 minutes, so it should be good. And that whole brick is paired with this USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And lastly, you get these this pair of headsets, standard type that you've come to expect from Oppo, and should be good. So let's keep all of that aside. Let's see what else you get in the small box inside the box. So right off the bat, here you have your SIM tray ejection pin here, and then some paperwork. Paperwork. This is a safety guide, so I'm assuming that other one was a user guide. And of course you have your plastic jelly case here, and there's nothing else from the small box inside the big box. So here we are presented with our device, that is the Oppo Reno4. First impressions, I can feel it's actually light, and from what I know, you can check the specifications on the blog. This should be lighter than its predecessor by about 5 grams or thereabout. So the Reno4 is lighter, even though it should be pretty much the same size physically. So some of the branding here you can see on this covering. You have AI color portrait, 960 frames per second, smart slow motion video, smart air control, smart spying prevention. What this smart spying prevention means is when you are using the device and the notification comes in, it gets masked here. So if somebody else is using your phone, they don't get to see what you're being texted, for instance. And then we're also getting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Now this is an upgrade from what you get on the Reno4. The Reno4 comes with a MediaTek Helio P90 chipset. So here we're going back to Qualcomm Snapdragon and we're getting the 720G. yes, there being not much else, let's get rid of this wrapping. And right off the bat, you can see there are so many similarities with the predecessor to this device. The power button looks pretty much the same. There being no fingerprint sensor here at the back, that means you are getting an under display fingerprint sensor, just as was the case with the Reno 3. And then here is your volume up, volume down button. The power button is on the side, complete the green accent. There's a single microphone up top, and then down here you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. There's a microphone. There's a USB Type-C port, of course, and then you have your speakers, and your earpiece is also up here. And another significant change is the inclusion of this. These are your two front-facing cameras for selfies and everything. The Reno 3 had one, and it came in a water drop, teardrop style notch here, so we are getting this peel-shaped cutout in the display. And then one of the most visible changes is here at the back, where you get 3 cameras. Of course, on the Reno 3 we also had 3 cameras, but now in this new arrangement, you have my Reno 3 with me here close by, so you can see these are the differences you're staring at. This is the Reno 3, this is the Reno 4, and from the front you can see this is what you're working with. We had that teardrop, water drop style notch here. Now we're getting this peel shaped one here, and almost same size actually, and same size of bezels, the chin, yeah, very minimal, and they almost feel the same in terms of weight. But if you have to be strict to the numbers, this one is lighter, and this one is a little bit heavier. And yeah, so at the back here, what you are staring at are 3 cameras, where one is a 48 megapixel shooter, and yeah, that should be pretty much it regarding this device. And yes, thank you for watching.